Hi, my name is Heather Milo, and I'm a lead instructional specialist at the Institute for School Partnership at Washington University in St. Louis, and one of the co-developers of the COVID-19 module, along with a teacher and her students from the Hawthorne Leadership School for Girls in St. Louis, Mary Beckendorf. And I'm going to walk through the layout of this module, the resources, and sort of the design elements that are really most important to get started with using this resource. So this is a middle school level module, and it is around the coronavirus. So it's life sciences. It's about 14 to 18 hours of student work, which could be around 4 weeks. But that can be modified to be the module can be modified to fit shorter lengths of time or longer lengths of time. It can be modified to a fourth or fifth grade level, up to a high school level. These are all things that are currently happening with this module. I'm going to check out the teacher guide first. The driving question of the module is, how do we keep ourselves and others safe and informed during the coronavirus pandemic? And this goes into a little bit more detail about these learning goals associated with focal science and engineering practices. Students are going to investigate this driving question by engaging in 3 cycles of inquiry and then a final performance task or project at the end of this module. Altogether, this is between 14 and 18 hours of work. Students first start by researching questions around, like, this is unprecedented, right? This has never happened before. Or has it? Have we seen anything like this before, like a pandemic focused on a virus, maybe even a coronavirus? So students have an opportunity to research past pandemics, current and past viruses that have wreaked havoc on our everyday lives throughout history in the first cycle. In the second cycle, students investigate how the coronavirus spreads, and a complementary question to that is, what can we do to prevent it? In the third cycle, students investigate how scientists use models to make predictions. And at the end, the performance task, the project, is really to take what students have learned and act. So this is to create a sense of agency, that students can do something. As helpless as some of us may feel, there are things that we can do that actually can save lives. And so creating a public service announcement around some aspect of their learning in this module is the end of the module project. And even if we don't continue our social distancing, this is a nice launch unit because it's an overview of many of the science and engineering practices that are present across K-12. Please feel free to share this with your colleagues, anybody who might benefit from a unit that's based on the COVID-19 phenomenon. I hope you all have a great rest of this school year and a nice summer. Thanks.